So we're back at the Dollar Tree again to see if they've put out even more stock. So I just want to take you along. Make sure you stay to the end because I found something that I do want to do a little bit more research on. Kind of cool. But here they're putting out more planters. Some of the ones are the same from last season, but I did see some newer ones that they have put out with different colors. They're putting out their gardening gloves. This was actually something new that I saw that I didn't see last year. If any of you try it, let me know. I'm just curious to know how much weight that it holds up. And then you have a lot of your pruners and different shears that are always great to use in the garden, especially when deadheading or even cutting off different plants. They brought back the flower rockets. I didn't see the herb rocket or the tomato rocket, but they've brought those back this year as well. So they're slowly but surely starting to put out even more. This particular one, they did have the seeds that they put out, the different varieties, the flowers, the vegetables, the herbs. I like to get them when they first put them out because over a while they're just like all over the place. And so those are out at this one. We ended up going to 3 different Dollar Trees, just kind of seeing if I seen anything that was a little bit different. And again, I looked around. I didn't take the liberty of opening the boxes, but this particular Dollar Tree had some things over off to the side here that they're probably going to get ready to make room and put out on the on display as well. So this is the last Dollar Tree that we went to. They did have a couple of different items than the other ones, and they also had the seeds. Now I'm going to leave the link in our description. Make sure you sign up for the Seed Starting Masterclass so that you know when you're supposed to start seeds for your particular growing zone, because everyone start seeds at different times depending on where we're at. And this also had some potting soil that was out and some more pots. So and the solar lights as well. So slowly but surely they're starting to get out some of the gardening items for this season. But this is what I wanted to show you. This is a pop-up vertical seed starting station, and what this reminds me of just a little bit is, you remember those pop-up drying racks? Not quite like that, but you do still have to get like the grow lights and the heating mats and then your trays. But if you don't have enough room, then you could use something like this. But I'll also make sure that I link our video where we created our own seed starting station as well. But this is also an ideal thing to do if you want to start seeds inside. Comment below, let me know if you've started seeing any gardening items out anywhere in your area. So as always, thank you all so much for watching this video, and I hope you share this video with your family and your friends. If you're not a subscriber, we would absolutely love to have you as a subscriber. So make sure you tap the bell so that you can receive notification each and every time we upload a new video. Again, thank you all so much for watching, and until the next video, bye-bye.